Example number 3. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Condition for event A to get at least 2 heads. Condition for event B to get no head. Condition for event C to get head on the second coin. Sample space for this random experiment S equal to, write down in the curly bracket, HHH, HST, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. Close the curly bracket. Number of S is equal to 8. Condition for event A to get at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means minimum 2 heads are required in the result. Now collect the sample points from the sample space in which minimum 2 heads are there. A is equal to HST. 2 heads are here. Next HTH, 2 heads are here. THH, 2 heads are here. HHH. In the last result, 3 heads are there, but requirement is of minimum 2. That's why no problem. There are 3. Then this sample point is applicable for this event. Number of A is equal to 4. Condition for event B to get no head. There is only one sample point in the sample space in which there is no head, and that is TTT. B is equal to, in curly bracket write down TTT, close the curly bracket, number of B is equal to 1. Condition for event C to get head on the second coin. Collect the sample points from the sample space in which head is on the second coin. C is equal to HHH, HHT, THH, THT. In all these results, there is head on the second coin. Number of C is equal to 4. 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of the digits. Conditions are given below. Condition for event A, the number formed is even. Condition for event B, the number formed is divisible by 3. Condition for event C, the number formed is greater than 50. The sample space for this random experiment S is equal to, in curly bracket, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now writing 2 in the tens place and remaining digits in the units place. 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, comma. After that write down 3 in the tens place and remaining digits in the units place. 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, comma. After that write down the 4 in the tens place and the remaining digits in the units place. 40, 41, 42, 43, 45. Now 5 in the tens place and the remaining digits in the units place. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Close the curly bracket. 25 2-digit numbers can be formed. Number of S is equal to 25. Condition for event A, the number formed is even. Now collect the even numbers from the sample space. 10, A is equal to, in curly bracket, 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52, 54. All these are even numbers, and these are 13. Therefore, number of A is equal to 13. Condition for event B, the number formed is divisible by 3. B is equal to, in curly bracket, collect the sample points from the sample space which are divisible by 3. If you know the divisibility test for 3, then it is better for you for writing the numbers. B is equal to 12, 15, 21, 24, 30, 42, 45, 51, 54. All these numbers are two-digit numbers are divisible by 3, and these are 9. Number of B is equal to 9. Condition for event C, the number formed is greater than 50. And it is very easy. Write down the sample points from the sample space, which the numbers which are greater than 50, and C is equal to, in curly bracket, 51, 52, 53, 54, close the curly bracket, and these are 4 numbers. That's why number of C is equal to 4.